When we're out in the field, it's really important to have access to all the things that you need to do to maintain your weapon. When you're setting up your kit to do a mission, how much space and how much weight you have on you is really, really important. So having a tool that has everything you need to do one job is absolutely the right answer. Whether it's adjusting my front sight post or taking out the bolt carrying pin, cleaning carbon off, it has everything I need to know that my weapon's going to function properly. Every soldier that goes through Afghanistan or Iraq was issued a Gerber multi-purpose tool. As a soldier, you're fighting for your country, and I believe it's important to have American-made equipment. You want to use nothing else but the best. My name is Tim Kennedy, and I would never leave base without my Gerber.